Check it out. See, what I believe is we've been granted the power. What's that? Power what? Power to make you dance. Like this.
She's got a 9 to 5.
Yeah.
We're coming in after 12. Check it out. You're tired of her life.
Yeah.
Just let her go what they did.
What?
Now take me for instance, baby. See my love for trouble crazy. 'Cause I be going boom like an 808.
Baby,
Be making circles like a figure eight. You know it feels good from head to toe. Now hold on to me, baby, here we go. You'll be going boom, baby, boom, baby, boom. And I'll be going ooh, baby, ooh, baby, ooh. I hear she's not all that to you, 'cause she can do it like I do. So put that trophy on the shelf.
what?
Go out and find somebody else. Now take me for instance, baby. See my love for trouble crazy. 'Cause I be going
Ain't nobody banging like me, stacking like me, wouldn't like me. Ask up. His original plan to get us large on the map by making you clap your hands. Dance, shoot. Is that I'm not gonna lie, I bought my amps to this. Cutie pie, honey bunch. If you're not busy, take me to lunch. Oh, yeah, I done did it now. With the lush music, what poppin', cruising, boy, 8 or boost the wet tennis juice. Yeah, you give me up, you wantin' it up to get the minutes. 'Cause they wide in my pocket, baby. And today, I just wanna jiggle my ball, but knock your socks off with my what? Yeah.
boom like an 808. Boom like an 808. Circles like a figure eight. Circles like a figure eight. Oh yeah.
What?
To me, baby, here we go. Get it, baby, get it, baby. Boom like an 808. Like an 808. Oh yeah. Feels good from head to toe. To me, baby, here we go. Get it, baby, get it, baby.
My number one.
I won't stop until I see you, sugar. You know who you are. This is for my number
I see you.
Number one. So many shows wherever I go, I'm gonna keep on looking. You know who you are. You know I'm gonna keep on looking. You know who you are. You know I'm gonna keep on looking. You know.
Okay, so I don't know if it was recording, so I'm just gonna tell y'all what I did. It's my normal routine, but I use the Saharan blush palette for blush, and I use nail, and for contour I use the Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer in Warm, and then to set I used Maybelline Fitme Loose Finishing Powder in Medium Deep 30. And then to put all over my face, I used Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in 355 Coconut. And then to line my lips, I used NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Downtown Beauty. And then for my lips, I just used, where did I put it? I used the NYX Lip Lingerie Gloss in Brillo. Oh, upside down, looks like that. And then I used the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to set my face. And yeah, this is how I do my makeup when I wear glasses. So if you are a glasses person, you don't have to wear eyeshadow, but I just did a little something. And my eyelashes are pushing against my glasses, but if you want to wear lashes, just make sure that they're a little bit shorter. That way they don't, you know, flick the rim of the glasses. But this is how it came out. I hope you guys like it, because I do. It's a natural makeup look, so you can do this anytime that you wear your glasses. So yeah. If y'all want to see how I did this bun, let me know in the comments. It's on my hair, baby. We ain't bought over here, but I'm playing. But yeah, if y'all want to see any other videos, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.